everybody, Elizabeth with Country Peony, and today I partnered with Clover to bring you another sweet, almost nostalgic project. So I don't know if you've heard, but granny chic or grandmillennial style is having a huge comeback, which I'm really excited about because it features a lot of handcrafted items like quilts, florals, and just a lot of fun feminine items. So to play off that trend, I thought it would be really sweet to use Clover's yo-yo maker to make yo-yos. And what a yo-yo is it's fabric tied together to make a circular shape. And what you can do with yo-yos is you can add them together to make really sweet quilts, or you can attach them to your projects to make a fun accessory or embellishment. For today's purposes, I just want to show you how to actually make a yo-yo using Clover's yo-yo maker. And we are going to be using a 45mm yo-yo maker today, but Clover makes all kinds of sizes for all kinds of projects. So if you want to see how to make your own very simple yo-yo using Clover's yo-yo maker, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today. I hope you feel inspired to bust out your fabric scraps and make your own yo-yos. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, please check out my blog, countrypeony.com, or feel free to follow me on Facebook or Instagram at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.